So this is the normal starter, and now I will explain the connections of this water level controller with this normal starter. Briefly, I will explain the functions of this starter. This starter has one push to on button connected with the voltmeter. When pressed, it will show you the voltage. And second one is the ampere meter, which will show the current being consumed by the motor. Green button is a start button and red button is a stop button. And there is one MCB switch also provided in the supply to this starter. We'll give supply to this contactor only for 3 seconds, and sensor connection will also remain the same. Stop button connection will be taken from here. These are two wires, green one and black one. Both will be connected with each of this NO switches of start button. No wires are to be removed from the existing connection of this start button, and these two pairs will be connected along with other wires. And these two red wires will be connected in series of this stop button. These are the switch on button connection. Two pairs will be connected with each NO switch. These are two NO switches, and you don't have to remove any wire from the existing connections with these two switches. And one pair will be connected along with the other wires, and the second pair from the contactor will be connected with the other side of the switch along with the other wires. And these two wires coming from the controller stop button connection, we have to remove one of these two wires, any one of them. We remove this left side wire and remove it from here, and in place of that, one wire coming through the controller will be connected with this point. And the wire which was removed from this point will be connected with the other wire coming from the controller. That is all. And there is a joint cap also available in the packing box, the supply, and we can punch this here so that it can remain like this. So these are the connections for start and stop button. Now after completing the connections, now I turn on the green light comes on. It shows that system is ready to work automatically according to the variation in levels of water in the overhead tank. When water level is going down and reaching a point where we set the sensor switch for switch on, it will switch on the starter only for 3 seconds. And when water is fully filled up in the overhead tank, it will switch off the starter. These are the complete automatic functions, and if you want to use the starter manually, turn off the controller and there will be a hanging switch which will be available along with these wires in the packing box. I have been using automatic function, so I press this button in auto mode. And now I want to use the manual starter. In that case, I turn off the auto function and switch it in manual mode. In this case, the starter will start functioning manually as usual.